Hi, I am here to promote Generation Z class, which is coming up this Sunday. Um, I started this adventure with this generation because, for personal reasons, because I have a 17-year-old and who is getting ready to go off to college. And I really thought it would be incredible to give these guys some tools because of all the teens today and all the stresses that they have. They have a lot more than any of us really have ever had to endure. Um, I went online the other day to try to find something motivational to kind of open up the class with. And I mean, I spent hours and I was so discouraged and so heartbroken and upset because of everything that I had heard adults talk about this generation, that they're entitled, that they're unsocial, that they're suicidal. I mean, it was just on and on and on and on. And I thought, my God, these poor kids have grown up. Yeah, technology has kind of taken them over. And they've had to grow up not only with the pressures of school and their peers and fitting in there, but now they have to fit in on social media. And we can't change that. We're not going to change that. As far as them being entitled, I kind of see them as being determined. These kids are super loyal to each other. They have each other's back like no generation I've witnessed. They care deeply about each other. They may not open up to us adults or teachers or things of that nature, but they have each other. And the loyalty and the commitment they have to each other is impeccable. It's amazing. It's been amazing to watch. They are determined to get better grades than Generation X or the millennials ever cared about. They know the importance of getting education. They know the importance of having a future. They are searching and trying so hard to figure out who they are, whether that's through social media or not. But because they are about social media, these kids are our future. See, what they have encountered, and some of you and some of like me, smartphones became something new to us. The evolution of what they're going to see and what they're actually going to create because they were born in this era is going to blow us away. And I know that because they started here and they only have here to go. So yeah, I think that they're going to do incredible things for our country and for the world. And if we don't give them the encouragement and we don't tell them what they're doing right and how brilliant and how capable they are, and we just keep reminding them of what they're not, we're going to have some broken people walking this earth. So that's what the class is about. It kind of, this video wasn't supposed to be about this, but I want to give these guys tools that they can be able to handle stress when it comes up for them, how to like center themselves in their bodies, giving them little tricks and fun little exercises to figure out who they are, who they were born to be. And that's all going to be in that class. So it starts at 12:30, and I'm here to encourage them. I'm here to empower them. And I think it's in all of our duty to really help provide some tools for them. So as they go off and through their transition, they're going to conquer the world and be the best possible version of themselves they can be. If you have any questions, inbox me. But yeah, sorry so passionate, but I hope to see everybody there. It's super important. All right, thanks. Bye. Have a great day.